What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm out here today. I need to move some compost to make room for the shed that we're getting. I'm standing in my normal spot, but there's no big tree behind me. We ended up cutting it out because I'm getting a new shed. I let a bunch of stuff go to seed. I have to move this compost and that compost. So it stinks in a way that I have to put the shed in the garden area, but it's gonna also allow me to kind of plant out closer towards the house. Basically, the way the sun comes up, it comes from the side and it goes across this way. So if I put the shed on the other side of us, it would basically block out even more of the garden. I want the shed as far to the north as possible. So then that's going to allow me to continue to have a decent amount of sun for the vegetables. Okay, so I think I'm going to place the compost here for now. So I'm going to empty this guy and then the passively aerated geobin and move that all and just kind of incorporate everything. I think I'm going to just take the bin first, move that over, empty this one so that's on the bottom, and then fill it up with the leaf mold that I have over here. And I'm hoping it should just be as easy as lifting it straight up. Well, I'm glad I get a chance to at least bring you guys along for this. And I see I got some zip ties here. Hopefully I can bust these off. I'll put these over here so I can throw them away. Okay, sad to see this thing go, but I'm glad I get a chance to show you guys how to break it down. I'm gonna leave these clips on there. So, they're 90 degrees. I turn it 90 degrees, I'm popping the back side off, then I'm turning it back 90 degrees so the clip stays. Okay, let's see. You can see it's a little dry. Let me get this out of the way first. I got a couple of rebar spikes that I put in the ground just to kind of hold it, give it a little support. Yeah, nothing like procrastinating. I have to get this moved out now because Wednesday we get the shed delivered. And she's loaded with the worms. What I'm trying to do is take the dry sections first. So then they're going to be down at the bottom. And then this kind of middle section that's already broke down will then be able to go kind of on top of this to help give it moisture. Woohoo! seen a big old clump. So I want to make sure I break that up. Well, I think I screwed up. I should probably put the geobin back together and use that. I was always impressed by the size of that compost bin until I started loading it with the material that was in that geobin. She's loaded up with worms. Okay. Might as well do the geobin. Yeah, this thing's a beast. Can't go that tight. I won't be able to get this out of there. Okay. Cool. Just so you can see all of those worms. Man, it's hot. Well, it's not really hot, but I'm working too hard. So those worms are going to stay, hopefully migrate back into the garden area after the shed's placed. One pile down, one to go. Worms are making babies. have a big pile to make babies in now. So I got like, I'm hoping 2 more wheelbarrow fulls. I'm starting to feel some raindrops and see some raindrops. I don't want the camera getting wet. So I'm gonna shut you guys off for a minute, finish this up, and hopefully if it's not raining, I'll bring you back out and I'll show you how the pile's looking. Basically 3 feet across. Well, 3 feet that way. This one's 43. And it's 2 foot high. So I'm pretty happy with it. I got both bins, the geobin and the compost bin, emptied and placed into here. So I made room for the shed to be delivered. So raindrops are starting to fall again. I'm glad I was able to get this knocked out. Like I said, Wednesday, the shed's going to be delivered. It's Monday, so hopefully I can quick get this video put together. I'll try to post it Tuesday, the 24th, and the 25th I'll be getting the shed. So thanks for coming along, everybody. Have a great day, and hopefully the next time you see me out here, you'll see the new shed. Talk to you guys later. Have a good day.